Hey guys, so I did something interesting. I connected my Notifier NFS 2640 system to my home smoke alarms using a Kidda SMX 120 module. Or sorry, SM120X module. And in here I have the monitor and I have the relay. So the monitor it's monitoring the home smoke alarms. So if the home smoke alarms go off, the notifier system activates. But if the notifier system activates, that relay module closes a circuit on that module and causes the home smoke alarms to go off. So I'm going to give you guys a quick demonstration. I'm going to be using this solo spray. And let's go ahead and test this detector. So the classics are going off. And the home smoke alarm stopped. So we have audible silence. Let's do a reset. And let's clean the detector. Pretty good. Then it should be good to reset. So I went ahead and disabled the relay module so I can demonstrate the smoke alarm setting off the notifier. So I'm now here in my room. There's the other notifier system, NFW50X. Let's give this a go. And the classics are now going off. Let me run down there and show you. And reset. We'll go ahead and re-enable that relay module. Well guys, this will be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you next time.